Colombia, we can find any stuff with rice, chicken. This is flexible.
And we have it like street food as well as vendors.
Yes.
Yes. And it can vary depending on the region. So the ingredients on the region can make for different. Like you can find empanadas in one region that is different to another region, and it is really usual for us. It doesn't matter like at night, or you can just have lunch with empanadas, or maybe if you want breakfast as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Flexible. Wonderful.
That one's rice with chicken. It's a very common dish in our country, but 20 years back, it was something special. Like if you, for a birthday or
Special
for
occasions.
a party, but now it's very common.
And also we bring bon bon bon. This is sweet that is really usual and common in Colombia too that we put.
Enjoy these anytime other than when you're presenting. Beautiful. Right here?
Yeah, this is like a shrimp. Braised shrimp. So it's very traditional Shanghai food. Yeah, very sweet. Yeah.
Beautiful. Well said. One sentence. Up next.
It's a pot stew with the beef, sugar, Chinese pepper, and star,
Traditional Chinese ingredients. Yeah, this is very delicious.
Very delicious.
Yeah.
That's good. Yummy. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, so these should go together. This is Vietnamese bánh hai. So you will use a piece of noodles and then wrap together with a piece of Vietnamese ham.
Okay.
It's a pork ham.
Okay.
And then dip into the sauce. Then you
Okay.
make it together.
Amazing. And ate commonly or special events?
Commonly,
Okay.
anytime, or even for breakfast.
Okay. Breakfast, lunch, potlucks, and everything in between. This general area.
This is chicken biryani. It's made from rice and chicken, and this is very diverse dish. You can find it anywhere with different names. And it's made from some Indian spice like bay leaf and cardamom, cloves, turmeric powder, and chili. That's it.
Wonderful. Yummy. Sounds great. Couple more right here.
Who wants this?
Lu, Shirley.
Rice fried with a lot of things, and in China, I live in Zhejiang province of China. It's the south part of China. So and the citizens in Zhejiang province are very busy. They always busy in studying or earning money, so they always have no time to enjoy their dinner. So they will fry every materials possible that from the fridge and to fry together. So it tastes light because Chinese people, South of Chinese people like this taste.
Okay. Good
I
to know.
hope you can enjoy it.
Something to make when life is fast paced. Great.
Could you please take off the cover?
Okay, you can see that. Okay, this is plantain. It's not a banana.
Banana?
Yeah, no, it's not. It's similar, but it's plantain.
So
Yeah.
you're saying it's a banana?
Yeah, kind of. Okay, so what's the meaning for us? First, Ecuador is the largest exporter of plantain in the world. So for us, it's important to share this information. And we eat it with breakfast, or it could be lunch or dinner, and always you can combine it with, I don't know, different proteins that you want, eggs, or beef. Yeah. So it is a healthy food and give you power, energy for overcome the day. So please try it.
Okay, thank you.
Wonderful. I think we got 3 more on the side there.
This one.
This one is mine. It's fried dumplings from China, and in Chinese New Year we made it by hand and eat in Chinese New Year's Eve around family
Okay.
to celebrate the family reunion.
And does it bring good luck?
Yeah, sure, of course. And now it becomes a staple food in China. Every household will have dumplings in their refrigerator.
Okay. Wonderful.
The last
2
one.
more. Last one. Erica.
Yeah, this is adobo, the same with Jenny's explanation with the veggie version. It's just with chicken and the eggs. And for everybody's knowledge, the leaves It's not audible. I mean,
Cannot
edible.
cannot eat.
It's there for the aroma.
Decoration.
No, this is the ingredient.
因为我们晚饭就可以吃，晚饭就够了。
It's golden. I don't know what's the Canadian.
你想吃哪个？
Wonderful. And then there's a juice quickly.
This is locally made wine.
我跟你说，
Wine. Those are different. Sans alcohol.
都可以尝一下，但是不要太多。
And the picture.